Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing the top 5 skincare products of 2025 so far. Now these are products that I have tried, tested, and uploaded a review for in the first 6 months of 2025. These products may not have launched in 2025. Some of them may have, some of them may not. These are the top 5 products that I have tested so far in no particular order. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you also love product reviews. Let's start with the first one, and that is Paula's Choice Pro-Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. This is a gel cream that plumps and restores bounce. This specific product retails for $49, and you can find it at Paula's Choice and Sephora.com. I will link my review to this product up above. I reach for this when I want a hydrated, plumper look to the skin. Also, when I want to use a gel-based moisturizer that wears nicely under makeup and sunscreen. And I will say that I do prefer this for daytime use. After cleansing, it is recommended that you tone and exfoliate. You do want to apply 1 to 2 pumps to the face and neck. If you are using this during the day, you want to make sure you follow it with your SPF. I love that this hydrates, plumps, and gives the skin a glowy look. The packaging also prevents the user from dipping their hands or fingers into a jar. And I also love that this wears beautifully under makeup. From use, I have noted a glowy, hydrated look to the skin, and it also feels and appears firmer. I would recommend this to anyone with normal, combo, oily skin looking for a gel-based moisturizer that treats the signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, dehydration, or anyone just looking to balance their skin. This is one of the richer gel-based moisturizers that I have tried and one that I still reach for after reviewing. Next, I have the Biossance Squalane and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. A unit like this retails for $68, and you do get 1.69 ounces, which I think is pretty cool considering that the standard size for a serum is 1 ounce. You can find this at Biossance.com and Sephora. I will link my review to this up above. After reviewing this serum, it has become my go-to for a hydrating daytime or a hydrating nighttime routine. I have revisited tretinoin, and hydrating skincare routines are essential when I'm doing so. So I have been using this AM and or PM on some days. Biossance suggests that you apply a full dropper to face and neck, and that is exactly what I do. I do not pair this with acids. Again, watch my review here where I tell you why I do not pair this with acids. I like that this is hydrating, plumping, soothing, and anti-aging. From use, I have noticed plump, hydrated, smoother skin with less irritation and redness. There are some products I love, but I cannot pair with this. So at first that was initially a deal breaker for me, a negative, if you will, but now I just adore this. And I don't hate that I can't pair this with other products that I love, because I really love this. So I would recommend this to all skin types needing hydration and above all, anti-aging benefits. Next product I have to share with you is something by the Outset, and it is the Firming Vegan Collagen Prep Serum. And you can definitely tell I have been loving this. This 1 ounce unit retails for $46, and you can find it at the Outset.com, Sephora, and Nordstrom's. I love using this as part of my daytime routine when all I want is a hydrated, glowy, firmer appearance to the skin. I am wearing this today underneath my makeup. The Outset suggests that you use this morning and night after cleansing and before your moisturizer. You want to apply to your face and neck in an upward motion. I love that this hydrates the skin and it works well with whatever products I decide to layer over or under this. I have literally put this through the test, and whatever I have thrown at this, it still works. This also works well under multiple sunscreens and makeup. And the reason why I use this during the day is the fact that it has prep in the name. So if I think prep, I think daytime, I think makeup. So that is why I use this during the day. From use, I have noticed hydrated, glowy, plumper skin. There is absolutely nothing I hate about this product. I love the minimalist packaging. There is weight. This is a glass unit as well. And I am getting very close to emptying this, and I don't think I will run into any issues. Because this is a lightweight gel consistency, I still think that it would work on all skin types looking to hydrate, plump, and balance the skin. Second to last product here, I have the Murad Biome-Balancing Clear and Prevent Blemish Treatment Serum. For first-time mandelic acid users, I would also suggest the Sophie Pavitt Mandelic Acid Clearing Serum. That one has less ingredients, and I would say it's a nice introduction to mandelic acid. However, Murad, this retails for $45 and you do get 1 ounce. You can find this at Murad and Sephora.com. And after reviewing this, I do find myself reaching for this when I feel like I am about to break out, to rebalance and minimize said breakouts. I like to apply this to face and neck after cleansing and toning, and I do like to use 2 full pumps. From use, I have noticed balanced skin breakouts are literally prevented, minimized, all without irritating or excessively drying or zapping moisture from my skin. From use, I've noticed less breakouts, more balanced skin. And I would recommend this to those who are looking to rebalance the skin and prevent breakouts without drying or irritating the skin. This has a lightweight, thicker gel-like texture, which is a little bit thicker than other daytime serums I've used. I still think, however, that despite its jelly-like thicker texture, oily skin will still enjoy this. It's not heavy at all. And even drier skin that experiences breakouts may also do well with this. If, however, perhaps you layer this with a medium weight moisturizer or even a richer, non-comedogenic rich cream. Final product is the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum. I have about this much left and I literally just uploaded my review. This retails for $85 and you do get 1 ounce. You can find this at Sunday Riley and Sephora.com. I will link my review to this up above as well. I like to use this once to twice a week to diffuse the signs of aging. If I used tretinoin that week, I'll just use this once a week because I need loads and loads of hydration. So that's when the Biossance Copper Peptide Serum comes into the picture. But again, once or twice a week at night, I apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin. I like that this is a results-driven retinoid without excessive dryness or irritation or flaking. From use, I've noticed smooth, firm skin. Pores appear smaller. This also minimizes breakouts. Again, all without redness, irritation, and flaking. The smell is one of the things I don't like about this. It was a little odd in the beginning, but now after, being a seasoned user, I don't really mind it. But just do know that there is a smell to this, especially if you are sensitive to smells. there is a smell to this. And I think that that is very normal for the Sunday Riley range to like just have smells. I would recommend this to anyone who loves a very well-rounded formula that's also results driven. This is great for those who are looking to diffuse the signs of aging, minimize breakouts, and smooth skin. It's got a lightweight texture and feel, so I do think that all skin types will tolerate this. Also, someone who doesn't mind truly fragrance-free products will also enjoy this. And in true Sunday Riley fashion, although their packaging is like different from one product to the next, there's still something that ties it together. Quite unique, I think. There's some weight to the packaging, and yeah, I really do still enjoy this. Even after posting my review, I still reach for this, and I think it's pretty amazing product. So that is all I have for you all today. Let me know if you have used any of the products I discussed in today's video. Would you recommend any of these to other users? What's your skin type? What were your results? Let's discuss all of that in the comments down below. Thank you all for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys are all staying safe, staying sane, and free from illness, which I feel like I'm coming up with something. Like I am just getting weaker by the minute. So I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. What the hell? Power through this. Yeah. So